Hello everyone, it's me Deva Prandre and welcome to Team Yellow Dragons. So in this video, we are going to learn how to run the clock live. So this is the same project, this is the same file from last time we had made a clock. So it's the same thing, it's the same, it has the same functions and everything. So let's get started. So now we are going to add attribute and that attribute is on load. And let's type the function of home.js, which is show time. So show time, and here we go. Let's go to home.js, and below in our HTML or the document.getElement by ID function. Let's go down and make a variable. You can name the variable whatever you want. I'm going to name it t, and that's going to be set time out. Set time out. And so first let's say the function, the name of the function, which is show time. And then let's give the number as 500. Here we go. Now let's run it live. Yeah, here we go. This should work. Here we go. It is working. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the bell for instant notifications.